Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to hard reset your iPad mini 7 via recovery mode using a MacBook. If you can't restore your iPad the standard way or you just prefer that way, you can restore it via recovery mode. I'm gonna show you how to do it on a MacBook, but in another video you can find restoring it through recovery mode on a Windows PC. To restore it via MacBook and recovery mode, you'll need the MacBook and a cable that fits both your iPad and your MacBook. First, connect them. And when they are connected together, you can first force restart your iPad. To do it, shortly press on volume up, then volume down, then release, and press and hold on the power button until it goes into recovery mode. I'm gonna show you that now. Volume up, volume down, power. You can see that slide to power off shows up, but don't slide it, just wait. Keep pressing even if the Apple logo comes up, and now you are in recovery mode when there's a laptop and cable on your screen. And now you can go onto your MacBook, and in Finder app you should see your iPad with this alert. There is a problem with the iPad which requires it to be updated or restored. Choose Restore. And now it should download. After clicking on Restore and Update, it should download the new system, which it will update to and restore. I've done it before, so it will just restore it right away. But if you didn't, it might take quite a few minutes to download the update and then restore. Now it's been restored to the factory setting. You can see that it shows this alert. You can click on OK, and your iPad will reboot. It may take a while, and then you'll be able to set it up. And now it has booted. You can set it up, but remember that it's locked with your iCloud account. So in order to set it up, you'll need to enter the credentials to your previous iCloud that was logged in on that iPad. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.